How to change the Instagram fonts. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Instagram provides you with different kinds of fonts that you can add to the text. So without any ado, let's get started. First of all, open Instagram. Then after, select the video and then add the text into your video or the story. Once you have done so, now you can see currently it is on the default font. Now to change the font, what we can do is first of all type the text and then tap on next. Now again tap on the text and it will give you different options. Slide towards the left and you will see different types of font sizes and font styles. It could be elegant, directional, literature and much more. Additionally, you can also select the animations for the text as well. And this way you can add and change the Instagram fonts. This is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.